Without adjectives and adverbs, life will be so confusing and boring. Imagine walking into a restaurant and ordering food without any way to say spicy or crunchy. That is why you need adjectives for that. And without adverbs, good luck explaining how something happens. Let's keep it simple. Adjectives are words that describe nouns. They tell us more about things. Adverbs, on the other hand, describe verbs or how things are done. Adjectives are all about the what. For example, a happy dog. Adverbs are all about the how, like the dog barked happily. Alright, let's see these two in action, starting with adjectives. This is a big pizza. He's wearing a white shirt. These adjectives, big and white, are giving us more details about the nouns, and without them, sounds quite boring. So adjectives provide more details. Now let's look at adverbs. She runs quickly. Here, quickly is telling us how running is happening. Without it, we are left guessing. How is she running? Is she running slowly? So adverbs show how things are happening. And of course, there are some rules to know. Alright, let's break it down how to use these guys. Adjectives usually come before nouns. A loud car, a smart student, a fluffy cat. That's easy, right? Just put an adjective before a noun and boom, you're done. Now, adverbs are a bit trickier. Most of the time, they end with ly and follow the verb. She runs quickly. And of course, there are some exceptions. Words like fast and hard can be both adjectives and adverbs. She is a fast runner versus she runs fast. So in this case, she is a fast runner. Fast is an adjective and she runs fast is an adverb. As you see, fast runner, we put fast as an adjective before a noun, which is a runner. And in another example, she runs fast. As you see, fast, we put after the verb. So it means it is an adverb. Alright, a quick quiz. Which is the adjective and which is the adverb? The student solved the problem quickly. You'll have a few seconds to think. Is quickly describing a student? Nope. It is describing how students solve the problem. So quickly is an adverb. Here's a simple rule. If it is describing an action, it is usually an adverb. For everything else, stick with an adjective. And remember, adjectives are for nouns. Adverbs are for verbs. Like and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you soon.